Dr. Stacy Avakian. We're at Back Pain Relief Center, our Vineland, New Jersey location. That's where I always am. We're here with Kelly today. She's been a little while since she's been in, so we're just gonna give her a tune-up. She's got one little spot in her back that's been bothering her, so we're gonna go ahead and just do an adjustment, kind of check her out. So we'll start, you can lay on your stomach, please. Kelly came in a lot when she was pregnant. So we'll start with a little massager first, just helps loosen things up a little. Feels real nice. You still working out, right?
Yeah.
She works out a lot. She does pretty heavy workouts. So this just kind of helps get everything back in action and functioning the right way. Nice breath in and all the way out.
Mommy, I'm all done.
You're all done?
Yeah.
Is it okay if she's on the video? Good. Mommy had lots of stuff in her back too.
Mom, I want to hold you.
You're gonna help. Oh, thank you. You were like the best helper I've ever had. Oh, I think I need you when I get adjusted. All right, so that's Kelly's adjustment for today. We're gonna just do a little muscle work up here to help loosen up the muscles some. I'm gonna hit some of these trigger points. Just go ahead and look up and down 5 times for me. 1,
Mommy.
3.
Mommy, I want to ask her if I can do that too.
Oh yeah, you can do that in a few minutes though. Again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that's pretty much Kelly's treatment for today. We'll go ahead and put her on the roller bed for a little therapy, and then she'll be good to go and back in action for working out without pain. Dr. Stacy Avakian.
Do that too.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'll make it so it's easy for you. And Back Pain Relief Center, our Vineland, New Jersey location.